Guys, I do not feel like getting up, but I'm also hungry, so we're gonna get up. Okay, so I'm a little bit more rejuvenated. Anyways, welcome back to another vlog. I don't know what I'm going to title this video, but it'll be somewhere on the screen. I'm Angel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. We have a really fun time over here, so maybe consider sticking around. I don't know if you want to, but today's Thursday, so happy Thursday, guys. Yesterday I went to the hair salon and I got a silk press. Hopefully it still looks good after I wrapped it. I suck at wrapping hair, but I did vlog some footage, so I'll insert those videos now. Okay, not looking too bad. I think I'm gonna like curl the ends later though, because I don't really like flat hair. But yeah, I was originally going to dye my hair yesterday, but since I had just taken out my braids, they told me that bleached hair is likely to break after braids, so they told me like to wait a week. But I still got my hair done, so I'm gonna go back in like 2 to 3 weeks. That is if I don't back out of it. But here it is from the back. I feel like it's already grown back since I've cut it. But yeah, that was just a little hair update, because I know I told you guys that I was thinking about dyeing it, and I will in like 2 or 3 weeks. And I don't think that I'm going to tell you guys the color just yet. Okay, but anyways, I'm going to go put on a sweatshirt and then we're going to make us some breakfast. I think we're going to do 2 eggs today. 1, 2. Guys, this has been my favorite hot sauce lately.
And I want some fruit, and I'll get fries on the side. I heard everything, girls.
Butter.
Some lettuce.
Drink your water, people. Okay guys, so I just finished my breakfast and we're gonna get into what I'll have to do today. My mom's playing music. I hope you cannot hear it, but I have my little to-do list right here. Okay, so today's not like an extremely busy day. I might make this vlog over a course of days, just because I'm not doing that much today. I have wake up early-ish, which I already did. Make my bed, which I already did. Breakfast / coffee. I have my breakfast, but not my coffee yet. Then I have get ready, and then I need to edit and post a TikTok today. Then I need to work on orders, and then I'm going to film a what's on my iPhone video today, because I have a new phone, and the video where I unboxed this phone, you guys asked for a what's on my iPhone, so I'm going to be filming that for you guys, and then take all the trash out, because today's Thursday, so today's the day when they pick up all the trash and stuff. So, but okay, now I'm just gonna make myself a coffee and then we can start getting ready. Okay, we've got all the magical ingredients to make this masterpiece oven coffee. Wow.
Angel, you been losing marbles blue.
Okay, I got my coffee. I'm gonna get ready off camera because y'all have seen me get ready like 1,000 times. Okay, and I'm actually gonna edit the TikTok of me making this little baby right here. As you can see, it's a Lizzie McGuire little cartoon. It's for a custom. So yeah, I'm gonna edit that TikTok and then upload it at like 2. So yeah, let me just get ready. Okay, so it's looking super yellow. I did my makeup, but I didn't put any lashes on because I just wasn't feeling lashes today. Does it look weird? I don't know. To me in the mirror it doesn't look weird, but on camera it kind of looks weird. Or maybe I'm just used to lashes, but we're not wearing lashes today. And now I'm gonna attempt to add some body to my hair because it's flat AF. Okay, and that's basically like all I do. I just don't like for it to be like bone straight, and it should like fall a little bit later. But now we need to get dressed. I do believe we're going to the store, so I'll take you guys along with me for that store run. But yeah, let me go get dressed. Okay, so this is the fit for the store. I'm wearing this angel baby tee that I showed in my clothing haul in my last vlog, and then I'm just wearing these jeans from Princess Polly. Then I paired them with my Air Forces, and then I'm also going to bring my little Coach bag because it fits my camera in here. But yeah, that's a little grocery store fit. Home. I'm about to film the what's on my iPhone video, which I don't know if it's going to be too interesting, but people asked for it, so I'm going to film it, and I will just talk to you guys after I film the what's on my iPhone. Okay, I finally finished recording that video. It took like an hour. I also included my like case collection because I've been loving cases lately, so like if y'all want to see that, I'm pretty sure that video will be out before this one, so go watch it. But yeah, I do have to work on some orders and some customs. So I think we're gonna do that now, but it is getting late, so I might just do that tomorrow. I might as well just do it now. So right now we're just gonna embroider a sweatshirt. This is probably gonna be the only one I do tonight because it's late and I need to eat dinner. So I'm just gonna hoop this and then we can get busy. Okay, so she's all ready to go. I'm gonna make a TikTok. Wow, I do this as well.
I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know any man named Kurt.
Okay, so we had a mistake happen. Let's see if we can fix it. Okay, so I couldn't fix it. I had to cut it out of the machine, and now the sweatshirt is ruined. But it's okay because it's a sit in bed, eat sushi, and watch Too Hot to Handle type of night. I've been loving that show, so we're gonna get ready for bed. Let's do that. We're not gonna let it ruin our night. Okay, so I'm gonna wash my face and then get in the shower, but I want to talk to you guys, okay? Because I want to be 100% transparent with you guys. You guys know I've been on my vegetarian journey, but I had a slip up, a couple of slip ups, you know, because once you have a slip up, it's hard to stop, but had to start over. But y'all, my skin is fighting for its life, like, and I think it's because I had meat. Not gonna lie, like, and I have makeup on right now, so you can't really see it that much, but she's fighting for her life, and yeah, I think it's because of meat. But anyways, let me wash my face and then hop in the shower. Open night. Okay, lo and behold, skin. Still a bad bitch though, so it doesn't matter. But anyways, let's hop in the shower. Okay, so I'm out the shower, ready to eat. I got my pink chopsticks. I got some spicy sauce. We've got Too Hot to Handle, and my mom made some Kool-Aid, so it's a vibe. I probably should be drinking water, but it's whatever. Okay, so first piece, here we go. Y'all, super good. 10 out of 10. Guys, this lighting is so weird, but you're probably like, where are we? We're in my new car, and I know you guys are probably like, what the fuck? Like a couple videos ago, I said I can't drive, and I can't. But my dad still got me a car, and I'm so grateful because I have a car to like practice in and finally learn, because I have no reason not to now. And like I said, I'm 20 without a license. It's getting kind of embarrassing. So, and I'm not good with cars at all. It's a Hyundai. I'm not really sure what year or anything like that. But yeah, if you guys want to like empty car tour, I guess here it is. And you just push this button to start the engine, but it's off right now. anyways, I just wanted to update the vlog because I forgot to end it off last time. I think we're about to go to Target, so I'm just gonna bring you guys along with me for the day. Oh, it's starting to rain. Let's go.
All that stuff in there.
Come and say hi. Say hi.
And your turn.
I love this. I seriously love these so much. Okay, so we're back home. I have not been good at vlogging this vlog. I feel like it's been a whole lot of nothing. So my apologies about that. I feel like I look a mess. But anyways, I want to like kind of clean up a bit because it's needed. So we're going to do that. And then I want to start editing this video because it's Saturday. I don't know if I mentioned that. So it's time to get to editing. So I clean my desk. My desk gets super messy and it is currently 6:50 right now. Guys, I made this wallpaper myself. It's seriously so cute. I have the same one on my laptop. I made it on Canva. It's basically like my little vision board. But yeah, I have a Subway sandwich that I got when we were out earlier, so I think I'm gonna eat that now and then we can get to editing. And I'm having one of these Celsius drinks and like they're so good. I'm obsessed with them. This is in the flavor wild berry. I really love watermelon, but yeah. And guys, this is the vision board that I made for my laptop. It's so pretty. I'm obsessed with looking at it. And I'm currently watching Thor. Yeah, I'm currently having like a Marvel movie marathon because I've never seen it and I'm loving it so far. Okay, so I took the ponytail out because it was bothering me. So my hair looking kind of wild right now. But anyways, we're about to edit. I set the mood in here. I put on my lights and lit a candle. So yeah, we're about to have a little peaceful editing night. I always like editing in my bed because it's comfortable. And I just like to be comfy when I'm editing because it's not that fun to do. So I need to be comfy. But yeah, I'm not going to finish it all tonight because it'll probably take a while. So we'll see how much I get done tonight. Okay guys, now it's time for the part we hate the most, the end of this vlog. I'm so sorry if the vlog was like all over the place. Like I don't even remember what all I did during this vlog. So like hopefully it didn't suck too bad. But I love you guys so much. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. But okay, now it's time for the nice comment shout out. This video's nice comment shout out will go to Naomi or Naomi. Sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong, but bestie, I love you so much. I hope you're doing well and I appreciate your nice kind words so much. Like that seriously made my day. Like you saying this channel is your happy place literally made my day. So thank you, bestie. But okay, if you guys have made it up to this point in the video, you're a real one. But also leave this emoji down below in the comments just because I like to see who watched my videos all the way through. And it's kind of like an inside joke that only the besties know. So leave that down below. Okay, now I'm finna like get ready for bed and all of that. Hopefully by the next video my hair will be dyed. But I don't know yet. Okay, my battery's blinking. I'm gonna go now. I love you guys so much. Love you.